top of it, everyone. This is an all-wheel drive Hyundai Tucson. And today we're doing an AC compressor on this one. You know, this is a turbo 2, the diesel. This is diesel. And we got the AC compressor right here. In order to do this, you gotta drain Freon out, so I don't bust in your face when you take the lines off. And then I'm gonna get back at y'all with some more. That's the right there. That's the AC compressor. I'm seeing you guys some more videos. All right. First procedure. First, suck the fluid out of the AC compressor. Okay.
Trav, there's an AC compressor coming from this Hyundai right now?
Jack the tire up. Next, take the tire off. Come back
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. What you want to do is remove that underguard right there. And it's going to be a size 8mm. Yeah, like about 12 bolts. You know, plus whatever. Just take it off. Next step is to take this Serpentine belt off. And then I'm gonna let y'all know what size in the video. It's gonna be like a size of, let me show you where he puts it out at. I'll show y'all right now, just give me a second, bear with me. You know, it's another day at the shop today. We just pushing in all these Audis and Volkswagens. And we do Bentleys. But,
That's an idler. This is a stretchy belt.
it's a stretch belt?
It's actually, the tensioner is the alternator.
Oh, yep, you're right. Right here. Good eyes.
So yeah,
That's
this
simple.
is the tensioner.
You don't even gotta get low like that. You just basically, all you're gonna do is just get you a size 13. And then what you're gonna do is, this is how you're gonna do it. This is how you're gonna do it. So, I know it's gonna be a 14, huh? No?
Oh shit.
Oh, you grabbed the 10? That's a 12?
Yeah, it's a Ford.
No parts.
Ford is Hyundai.
Fuel pump for the Sprinter? Okay, okay.
I want to make sure it's ready.
This the right one. Okay. Just like that.
Oh, that fucking comes with the gas. Dang, we had the wrong one, huh, Trav?
It's the same pump. The difference is you have the other one where you have to cap it off. It's kind of like the same situation where they had open wood on you.
Oh, so you had to buy the cap for it?
No, we just had to buy a different pump.
That's it. This phone will focus somewhere. It'll focus on your arms. I'm gonna focus what I'm trying to have to focus on. I don't know how to take that off. Super advanced stuff. So what you do is make sure this is unscrewed all the way. The next, what you do is lift this up, and then next you can slide it. Get a tap hammer right there. I'll lift it up for you. Off the hook. Just like that. A little bit more, and then loosen up the belt. Get loose everywhere too. But probably want to loosen that bottom a little bit, which is the same size, 13. Just so I can loosen up properly. You know, once you take that bottom one off, then it's gonna loosen the compressor and make it go a lot more forward. From there, what you're gonna do is just push that up and take the belt off, and to put it back on, you're gonna do it the reverse way. Okay. Hold on, I feel it. I feel it. So was it what? It's still a 13? It went 15?
14.
14. Typical Japanese, right?
Ford owns Hyundai.
Oh shit. That's different. Hyundai? Oh, this because of this. Go ahead now. You're good. It should move now. There we go. Ding. Yeah. Just like that. Take the goat off. There we go. And let's see. Okay.
And then there's...
I'm going to take this off. It's going to all be size 12. Don't be afraid to get over there. Take it off. First you took off the lines. And the line was a size 12 as well?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, so it's going to be size 12. Then you take the connector off. Just pull that leg, how that goes. Okay, they might as well just get a new compressor, you know.
Well, so this is the dictator valve.
Okay, right there.
Yeah, this is new. They started doing this in like 2010 or something.
Okay.
It's
Push it in,
stupid, actually.
You don't like the design?
No, it's horrible.
No. You just taking off the thing. All right. Taking off the top bolt. There's 4 bolts. So, and this is to a Hyundai, right?
Yeah.
And this one, I'll put it in the video later. Where all this engine, where all they share this engine and transmission gone. Those plastic pieces too. Gotta take them off. And they could be a pain in the ass. You kind of need this tool right there that my buddy's using to take it off, but it's possible. Push it in, pull it out. Push it in, pull it out. I'm not gonna put on the wires too. I don't recommend putting on those wires. So that's why I was bringing you that pick. There we go. Yeah, put it up right there, and then pull it out. Link. And that's it. And that's how you take an AC compressor out in 2 minutes. What did you call that? The flow?
They call it something, but it's a flow dictator valve.
And it controls the
It controls the flow of all the Freon. It's kind of like it's an electronic version of a expansion valve.
Okay,
So this system has an expansion. The older cars only have an expansion valve, and that dictates flow. The new ones have an expansion valve and an electronic flow dictator. And so they both, it's a bad design in my opinion.
happened right there. Got some bolts that came out.
Yeah, I fucking tore it, ate it away. It wobbled back and forth. Well, I think, yeah, the bolts just came right out. There's not